Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, location services on and airplane mode off because the compass uses GPS and magnetometer together. Once done, open compass and lay the iPhone flat. You feel a small vibration when calibration completes. Make sure you keep metal objects and chargers away. Magnetic interference skews readings. Next, rotate the phone slowly in a figure 8 if prompted. This aligns the magnetometer. Now you're ready to read degrees and coordinates accurately. You now interpret what the compass shows. The large number is your bearing in degrees, and the small label indicates magnetic versus true heading. Know which one you need. Once you understand that, swipe to access the built-in level to check pitch and roll. This matters for precise alignment. If you need to save a spot, tap the coordinate readout to copy it or open Maps to drop a pin. Make sure to hold the phone steady and recalibrate after major temperature or location changes. To finish, save or share coordinates so you can return. Copy them into notes, maps, or a message. This preserves the exact spot. Once saved, verify accuracy by walking a short distance and checking that the heading updates smoothly. This confirms GPS lock. If readings seem wrong, recalibrate with a figure 8 motion, then restart the iPhone. If problems persist, remove the case and nearby magnets, or toggle location services. These steps fix most magnetometer and GPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.